Stupid. They could have just taped all the fucking cardboard together, but they decided to tape it in my goddamn paint and all my trim. Leave shit all over it. Jasmine better get her fucking little ass over here and clean this fucking shit up today. God damn it.
Is she fired?
She's fucking fired.
Is Sam fired?
Nah, Sam's not fired, but I'm gonna make her clean the fucking toilet for at least a month straight. Jasmine, you're fucking fired. Oh, shit all over my fucking paint.
This.
You girls are a lot dumber than you look, and you look pretty stupid.
This almost looks like, I would say, the homeless mobile for the midline skate crisis. Sponsored by Thrasher Magazine.
Right on. I just painted that. There it goes. Oh, that was good.
At least they didn't put the homeless treasure on the homeless ride.
At least they wasted all this tape. So stupid.
The whole roll.
Could have used fucking Scotch tape. They use a whole roll even?
No, almost, it looks it, doesn't it?
Would have had one fucking dude out here. The dude probably would have been smart enough. Put the tape just on the cardboard.
On the clock.
They think they're gonna fucking have an easy week this week. You guys fucked up. You're gonna regret every fucking minute you spend out here.
Why do we do that? It's not as fun as, it's not any fun anymore. Our work week sucks. 15 minutes of fun for fucking 7 days of hell.
That's what's happening. Oh, we had a laugh, but now I'm sore and super tired every single day because I have to actually do work all fucking day. I'm gonna make them count the goddamn fucking valve caps 90 times over in the back by themselves, facing the corner like a fucking gun. Fuck with the boss.
They sure messed up.
I'm lucky my paint's not ripping off this fucking old ass truck.
Sponsored by Hollywood Racks. The best in letting your bikes bounce down the freeway. Hollywood Racks.
I gotta get this off where the sun just melts this fucking Scotch tape even more in my goddamn truck, you know? I was like, fuck, I'm gonna leave it. And I was like, wait, that's a bad idea.
If you could have just took off the back and backed out of it and left the carport of cardboard, that would have been sick.
Oh. Trim ruin.
Hashtag paybacks. Hashtag paybacks.
Hashtag that's always gonna look like shit, and so I might have to do something to your personal possessions that will always look like shit.
Or
I'll
human.
just take like a chop of your hair out.
Yeah.
I got you.
Or new highlights.
What
Bleach.
do you mean?
That's a wrap for Thrasher Magazine.
Over and out.
Edit, cut.
Midline crisis.
Midline crisis, edit.